Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to make money using Notion. Notion is a popular productivity tool that can be used to manage project tasks, notes, and more. While it's not specially designed as a money-making platform, there are ways to use Notion to help you get extra cash. Here is a few simple ways you can use Notion to make money. Create a product or service catalog. If you have a product service to sell, you can use Notion to create a catalog to showcase what you offer. Notion's database features can be used to store information such as product description, pricing, and images. Here we have Notion's simple user-friendly interface that helps you create, generate, can quick add pages, journal, reading lists. You can add more pages here. We have pin this page to your sidebar. It's already there. We have the style here. You can switch to small text, full width, turn into wiki, move, customized page, look page, favorite, duplicate, and others. Second way is plan and track freelance projects. If you are a freelancer, Notion can help you plan and track your projects. You can use Notion to create a project management system that includes tasks, deadline, and client informations. Third way is to create and sell digital products. Notion can also be used to create and sell digital products such as templates, ebooks, and courses. You can use Notion to create the content and then sell it on a platform such as Gumroad. So to create a template here, you can create a theme space. Here you can add the new page. You can import pictures, templates. You can add just templates, add tables, board, timeline, calendar, list, gallery, pictures. After you make a title, you give your page a title, you can add whichever you want, then save it, and you can sell it or send it to trash if you don't like it. The fourth way is offer virtual assist service. Notion can be used to organize and manage your virtual assist service. You can create a database to store clients' information, tasks, and deadlines. Like we said, you can create a table, no data source. Here I said you can create a table. Let's say you can add name, you can add statue, ideas, planning, and blocked. You can add dates. You can choose those headlines and informations. You can add a list. You can even choose this travel plan. You can choose the subject and others. You can add a movie list, receipts, yearly goals, travel plans, and others. So overall, while Notion isn't directly a money-making platform, it can be useful to help you organize and manage your money-making venture. By leveraging its features, you can streamline your work and improve your productivity, which can ultimately lead to more incomes. So that's how to increase your incomes. And let's head to the settings. Not here. Okay, what about here? Create work account, add another account, sign on, view all comments, updates, favorites, customize your page, copy link, duplicate, open new window. So here you can add quick notes, like I said, updates, settings and members here, settings of your account. You have the profile, account security, you can change your email, you can add a password or delete it, two-step verification. We have the support, and here you can delete your account permanently. Here the support access, the logout of all devices. Here we have the notification settings, you can turn them on, off, the appearance, open to start, privacy. Here we have connections. You can connect it to GitHub, GitLab, and Grid. Language and region, you can choose them here. We have the overall settings, your profile picture or icon, the name of your project. We have the public settings, the domain. You can set your own domain. Allows email domains, public homepage, export content, delete the entire workplace, not the account. Here we have the member that you invited. Change have not been saved the change. Here you can add members, invite them. Here we have groups. You can upgrade your membership. We have here the free plan. You can add Notion's artificial intelligence by purchasing it. Here we have the plus plan, the business, the enterprise. Here we have the billing system and information. You can add credit card or PayPal account. Here we have the security, upgrade SEML, SSO, and more admin tools. Disable public sharing. Those are for enterprise plan. Identity and provisioning, domain management, and others. Here we have the connections and apps. We have Google Drive. We have Slack, and those are the settings. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.